Guys, say hello. Say hello to say hello. What's your name?
Liu Jie.
Liu Jie. Her name is Liu Jie.
Oh, today is my birthday. It's his heart.
Today is her birthday. So we're gonna sing happy birthday.
Hey man, do you remember me?
Yeah, bro.
Of course I do.
好久不见。
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, bro. Good for me, bro. Hello guys. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Today we are having a dumpling something. Dumpling something. Yeah. Let me just video
She has the charger.
Oh, okay. I'll be back. Let me just. Ooh, whoa, good. Ni hao. Hey, how are you? What are you doing?
包饺子。
包饺子. Oh, this is a pork, right?
猪肉。
猪肉, pork.
泡
Pork.
菜。
Ah.
白菜。
Oh, and what's this?
韭菜。
韭菜。
鸡蛋。
Oh,
韭菜鸡蛋。
okay, okay. All right.
Wow. So ugly.
What are they doing?
We are making dumplings.
You're making dumplings.
Yes.
Ah, Alex,
Yeah,
what are you doing?
making dumplings.
What type of dumplings?
Chinese dumplings.
Ah, say it in Chinese, bro.
饺子。
饺子，中国饺子。I'm correct, right? Ah.
不会死掉的
So delicious.
主要是会散开而已。
Guys, we're making dumplings. Come and join us. Yo.
Hello.
Hello guys. I'm making my first dumpling. Okay, so what's the name of this, guys? What's the name of this? What's the name of this?
Name.
Name what?
What's the name of this?
面皮。
What?
面皮皮皮饺子
Like
皮
皮
饺子皮 dumplings
P I ah 皮
Yes.
Oh, so P, you take your P,
yeah
and then you take your
Start out in the soup.
you take your you know fill share
蟹
share
蟹
share. Okay, so like that. Is it okay?
yeah
Or add more?
more
Okay.
它怎么拿那么多皮
More or too much?
Okay.
okay
Too much?
too much
Too much?
take a little
Oh my god,
a little
everything too much, not good.
okay
It's okay?
yeah
Okay.
okay
So, and then I apply a super glue. Super glue. Super glue.
wow
Yeah.
超级胶水
Super glue.
yes
Yeah.
No, we Chinese keep a super glue.
it's too thick
Everything.
it has many
Oh.
Yes.
Two piece.
take one
对。好的。
We Chinese drink super glue every day.
Oh.
Hot super glue.
Yes.
wow
And then it looks yummy, right?
yes
Yeah. And then Wait. How did she do it? She did something like this.
Fold, yes.
Fold.
Yeah.
Fold,
Then
yes.
middle.
In the middle.
Translation.
Okay. And then.
Translation.
Translation about
Yeah.
Then you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. To like
那你们
digging. You know what I'm saying? Digging. Yeah.
Wow, 中文好好。
Yeah, like this.
Yes.
没有数学。
Wow.
This is a sexy dumpling.
We just learn
Yo, Alex, don't you wanna eat this dumpling?
What?
Don't you wanna eat it?
Yeah. Good.
That's an in.
Alright, guys.
Wow. Yes.
This is for Alex.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. You can stop it now.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's start.
Wait.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright.
我们应该怎么说
Oh, Grace, you wanna take it? Okay. Okay.
I just do it. See
Okay.
see something.
Okay. Let's go. Okay.
So I don't think so.
好的，现在是 Alex 的包装时间。It's turn to Alex. He will make the dumplings. He will make a beef dumpling. Then first, he will take the meat on the 皮饺子，
皮
先把肉放在这个皮上。
Not too much. Not.
And
Then
fold
fold it and press the middle first. Then press hard. 哦，然后
Wow.
哦，好的。哦
Good at making them.
啊，老师
press hard.
Dumpling
Remember
老师
to press hard. Press hard.
Always remember to press hard.
Yeah, press hard.
Otherwise, you're gonna open.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then we make a very
Nice dumpling.
dumpling.
Oh, yummy. Wow.
like a smell.
Alright. 准备好啦。Hello. Let's go.
Hello guys, this is my sister and she will make the dumplings. 这是芹菜馅饺子。好了，她要来包饺子。
Super bully.
Super glue. Super glue.
Super glue. Yeah. Oh, nice. Too much.
有一点多了。不要一点。还好，不要一点。我要溢出。
Too much.
Too much.
Okay. So you fold it. Say it in Chinese. You fold it. So you fold it from the middle first, and then you yeah. Put a stick. Use the stick.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's go.
会做啥
Okay.
Everything.
Everything.
Okay.
For example, what?
No, show it to the camera.
You show.
You show.
介绍一下。这是我包的。
这是我包的芹菜馅饺子。
Yeah. 谢谢。Okay.
说明它就是类似于我们
他年大二
Chinese is so good.
大二，才大二。
Who?
他大二
我感觉他可
This
能
guy?
像我们那个里面的高材生，就是实力中文最好。
His name is Lucas.
Look us. Look us. Look us.
No, Lucas. Do you know Lucas? Like
Lucas.
I know name.
你知道黄旭熙吗
Lucas.
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 Ah, your name is Lucas.
Yes.
Like Lucas.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's my nickname. You wanna know my real name?
Yeah.
So long.
Yeah, kind of.
What's your real name? What's your like?
Sweaty Hao.
Sawadi how?
Sweaty 好
Sweaty Hao.
Sweaty how?
Yeah, Sweaty Hao.
It sounds like sweaty. Sawadi how? Sawadi and how are you?
You guys have same sound.
Sawadi.
Oh, today is my birthday.
His heart.
Today is her birthday, so we're gonna sing happy birthday. How to sing happy birthday? Chinese. My Laoshi is gonna kill me. Ask me. Yeah, in Chinese. So you start for us. then we say, we
用
continue.
中文唱给吗？
日生日快乐，日生日快乐。Let's go.
I will begin with me.
Okay. Okay.
3,
2, 1.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
What's your name?
祝你生日快乐。Thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
English.
Sandy, let's go.
他问什么意思
Sandy apply the super glue first. Sandy, why is super glue first?
Long life.
I can't hear you properly.
Sandy, why you apply a super glue first?
Because to make both parts join each other.
Oh.
have a long life
Haha.
you know
Just
寿比男生
Okay. So after this, where is it going?
yes
it will go for
To cook. Oh, okay.
流水
Oh.
simple.
So guys, they're gonna sorry. They're gonna cook this after they are done in a boiling water,
You
right?
haven't eaten
water
No,
No.
I haven't tried dumplings.
In Asia, it is famous.
This is famous in Asia.
You can get this everywhere.
Oh, this is not famous in Africa, man. Yeah.
water 烫
In Nepal, we have very delicious like it.
Oh. Okay. Sandy has applied super glue.
Yeah, super
Okay,
good.
okay. Okay, in the middle. Ooh, it's cooked, guys. Yummy. Alex. Oh. Alex, say oh. All right, guys. So we're gonna get the dumplings. All right. So it's ready. The dumplings are ready, bro. Right. What's up, bro? Yeah. All right. Since the dumplings are ready. What's up, man? Meow. Oh yeah. Oh shit, man. The dumplings are ready. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah. So yummy, bro.
Hey man, do you remember me?
Oh yeah, bro.
Of course I do. 好久不见。
好久不见.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, bro. Good one for me, bro.
Not nice.
Wait, bro. How am I getting the?
快走。
去那儿拿。
Oh, bro.
You wait
Take-
here.
All right. Oh, we're ready. We're about to cut some. We're about to dig in some, dumplings. You know what I'm saying? What's up, bro? Delicious?
Yeah.
Oh, it's chilling, man. Oh, see. Oh, that's nice, man. Yo, Sandy, bring my cup here, man, Sandy.
What do you look?
We just eat anything.
How did he know?
How am I supposed to know, man? Sandy.
Speak like this, okay?
Oh, okay.
Like this. This is
Okay.
your.
You eat it,
Bro.
you will know it.
You know? Oh. Oh my God.
醋怎么说啊？英文啊？
One of each, right? One of each. You know what I'm saying? Oh.
Hey, bro.
Okay. I think I'm done.
Vinegar. Do you know?
Vinegar? No, I don't need vinegar. No. No. Boo, 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 boo. No. Boo, boo. Oh. Sandy. Oh. Yeah. It's delicious, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch it. Hello. And how? And how? Oh. 好近哈，很好，很好，
谢谢。
啊。
但是这真的很好吃，我觉得比学校买的饺子好吃，就像家里自己做的一样。
Wait, I forgot the name again.
那边又有2锅香肠。
好吃，好吃吗？
好吃。
啊。嗯
你们觉得哪个馅最好吃？
我觉得牛肉的
我也是啊，我觉得好有嚼劲。
，dumplings，
很好吃。
牛肉很少感觉。
因为我们还没包完。那边有个。
好吃吗？好吃吗？
好吃耶，Hello。
Your name?
刘杰。
刘杰。
Yeah.
Oh, you are Chinese?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm coming. I'll be back.
Welcome.
Don't go. I'm coming.
Okay.
Gonna take more dumplings. Okay? Yo, 好吃，好吃，好吃，
好吃东西。
好吃吗？哈哈。Yeah. 好吃。Bro, 好吃。
OK，
好吃。Yeah. I want the hot ones. Hot. Yeah. OK. 很好。谢谢。哈哈。呜啦啦。Yeah, second round. Hey. A minute, give me a minute, I'll be back. How are you? Where you from?
你来自哪里？
南京。
Nanjing? You're not Nanjing here?
Yeah.
Ah. So you like dumplings?
Yeah.
Your favorite? Ah, guys, say hello. Say hello to what's your name?
刘杰。
Lou Jie. Her name is Lou Jie. Ah.
Okay, sorry.
What do you study? Major.
Major mathematics. Is it
Bro.
teachers?
She studies mathematics.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna